Actually, marami kaming research na mga car brands like different brands, Toyota, Honda. Pero when I tested to drive yung Cherry, nagulat ako kasi sobrang smooth niya and then yung mga high-tech features niya compared to other brands. So, sulit na sulit siya sa budget as well as, syempre, kinonsider namin yung mga after sales and then yung comments or yung mga uh, tao na meron ding Cherry. So, yun. So, very good experience naman. Actually, ito po yung pinaka-gusto ko kay Cherry eh. Kasi when I had an issue with my unit, so I reached out to Cherry Alabang specifically. And then, they didn't hesitate at all or denied my request to check my unit dito sa bahay namin. Kasi hesitant ako i-drive. So far, ang bilis ni Cherry. Yeah. Of course, yeah, 100%, yes. Of course. Wow! The umbrella, wow! Ito yung hinihintay ko talaga. Thank you so much! Yeah, hindi ko expect to. Thank you po. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Cherry.